This is gonna be.
Okay.
Whoa, this is not
Show
good.
them how it's done, guys. But first, some milk.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Yeah. So what's going on, guys? We're back again with another one. If you haven't smashed that subscribe button yet, please do.
Smash that button and don't forget to like the video.
So we're gonna go pick up the car tire, guys. Today, Samel's gonna be teaching us how to replace a car tire. The other tire is broken.
Which car? The Subaru?
Yeah, the Subaru, Danny. It's all messed up, man.
Where did you go with that car?
Hey guys, meet my favorite mechanic. This is Danny, guys.
Yeah, but
Best guy. Yeah, man.
you need a four
New tires, man.
No, you need 4 spare.
I know.
Ooh, that looks like a slide.
Samel, you gotta wait for your tire, please. Where are you going? It's an amazing view, right? Check it out. Samel's exploring again. It'd be a nice fishing spot, wouldn't it?
Can I go to the water?
Pardon?
Can I go to the water?
If you like to, but just be really careful, Samal. Oh, actually, go from this way.
More safe.
Exactly. It's not really safe, but actually,
Oh, wait, over there. That's a safe place.
But no, Samal, that's someone else's property. I'm not sure we're allowed to go over there. You see the fence? It blocks, indicates that that's their property. If you want to go down here, let's go. Go down together.
Whoa.
Check the water.
Whoa, water.
Be careful though, because this water has pretty strong current. So if you're not careful, you fall in there, it will take you down the river.
Oh, yeah.
And that's a no-no.
Where the waterfall.
Exactly.
Oh, where the waterfall.
Yeah.
But I can probably swim through it.
You can swim through it?
Huh?
Okay.
Because the water's not that deep. I can just walk through it.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well actually from here, yeah. From here, it's not so deep from here, but I'm sure up there it's pretty deep.
Oh,
Whoa.
the one's like really deep, then yeah.
And plus it's going pretty fast too. It has a lot of current, so if you get in there, and once you start losing your balance, it's gonna carry you. It's pretty cold, no?
Ew. Cold and disgusting.
Yeah.
Slimy.
Okay, let's go pick up the tire now, please.
Okay.
Got a lot of things to do. Oh my god, be careful please. Don't break someone's car.
It's a runaway tire.
Be careful, you gotta control it with both hands. There we go. You're gonna hurt yourself. Now you're gonna put the tire in the car.
What? But it's too heavy.
You got it, come on. Use your legs, not your back. Okay? You use your legs. Okay, I'll give you a hand. After say you wanna help her? Ready to go. Thank you.
Is it better?
Yep. Can you put me first gear? Thank you. Second gear. Thank you. Good job, Samel. Put me in neutral. Second gear. That's fourth. Second gear is down here. Thank you. Good job, though. Are you ready to work on this tire, Samel?
Yep.
Change this car tire. Let's go. There's the car. Don't forget to get the car tire from the trunk. Chest, hey, let's go, get in. Yeah, let's go. Get in the car. Get back in, let's go. Gotta keep our eye on her because we're gonna do some work. Here, get the tire. Whoa. Whoa, guys. This is gonna be, whoa, this is not good.
What happened?
Okay,
This?
Camara, wow.
We need this.
Yeah, we need that part. Yeah, what else? Put that down. Need that. Yeah.
Jack.
The jack. What do we have to do next, Mo?
So now, what are these?
You gotta break the nuts.
Wait. You gotta
Right?
break the nuts.
Yeah, it's gotta break the luck
So,
nuts.
First, you gotta make sure it fits.
Yeah. Push it in well. There we go.
Is that good?
Should look pretty good. Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
take your feet,
Yeah.
push it,
Good job.
jump on it.
But I think you're going the wrong way.
Oh, wait, by the way?
Yeah. Loosey, righty, tighty, and you're going the right way. So the right way, you're gonna make it tight. The left way, you got it loose. So there we go. Yeah. Step on it.
So this, you gotta put this in.
Yeah.
And there'll be a spot where it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
Then,
Exactly.
where's the thing? They,
Gotta make sure
this
that
is the part-
that is at the spot.
I think this is the spot.
Could
Oh, yeah,
be.
there you go. That way. Yeah, I think this is the spot.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me double check. Pretty good. Just right here. Should be good.
Okay.
Should be good right here.
And now this is the part where you put in the hook.
Should be good right here. Yeah.
And I put the hook in.
Yeah. No.
Then you start. Oh wait.
No, not that way.
You see?
Just like that. Good job.
Okay, I gotta stand up for this. It's like
Just like that.
that's better. Once I do this, you make sure it's in the right place.
Yeah.
If it's not,
Yeah.
I can break the car.
Okay.
Before I can break
So let me give you a hand.
it.
Go like this. Can I have more space? Yes. Thank you. You can go ahead of me. Come in front of me. So just like this. You going up? It's harder because we have the concrete right here. Sidewalk. Here, Samuel, can you loosen the bolts?
Now,
Yeah, the nuts. Can you loosen the nuts? Yeah, with your fingers.
nuts.
You do that and I will do this.
So lefty is lefty.
Yeah.
And now I will take out the bolts. Because now your bolts is loose.
Just like that.
The rest are tight.
Then use the tool.
Time to use the tool.
How many nuts is there?
There's 7 or 5. Yeah, 5.
7. Okay, that's 5. Gotta keep them close, right? Don't want to lose them. Just like that.
Okay. take off this bolt. We gotta jack up the car.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna make sure this tire will be able to spin. Let's take this tire off, put that tire on, put all the bolts, then we're done.
That's
Well,
it.
then after we're gonna unjack it.
Yeah, well, let's get going.
Okay, so
You jack up.
tire, and now just show you how a tire looks like. How a car looks like without the tire. It's stuck. Help me.
Good job.
Ugh.
Oh, that's how it looks like without a tire?
Yep. Don't touch any of this stuff.
So come here, please.
This is the
Yeah.
manual stuff, the electrical stuff. This is both. Okay. So, Uncle Michael, bring the tire.
Okay, open the tire. Cabrera, what are you doing?
Trying to bring it to you guys. That's too heavy.
Well, you don't kick it. It doesn't work like that. You gotta lift it up. Here, let's lift it up. Ugh. Now you hold it. You got it?
Guys, bring the tire.
Let's go, guys. Carefully. Good job. Wow. You're so strong. Good job, Kimura. Good job. You got it.
Let's go. Wow. Yeah, let's
Watch out. Watch your legs.
Hey, Sla. Here's the nuts. Oh, okay. Bring it. It's kind of high. Okay, so now we're gonna match all the screws into these little holes, so after we can put back the nuggets.
See the front of the point of the nut, see? Then put it down. There we go. Good job. Right there. Put some more focus, please.
Okay,
Keep going.
so
Good.
now put the rest of the nuggets in because I already put one in. Let's put the rest.
Can I have that?
Oh my god, you did kill the butterfly, Michael. Now we're screwing all the nuggets in the same. I met Uncle Michael because he said he didn't kill the ladybug. But right now I see the ladybug's dead body.
What are you talking about? We're talking about tires here, not ladybugs.
Hey, who said so?
I did.
Yeah, we're gonna boss.
I'm the boss.
But you kill it. What's the glass in here?
Good job.
What's the glass in here? You're all ladybug. Oh.
Let's go. Keep going.
So now, since we locked all the nuggets, we're gonna take off the jack, then lock it more tight, then lock the nuggets more tight, just in case. Then it's ready to go.
Why you keep calling it nuggets?
Because I like calling it like nuggets.
They're luck nuts.
I know, but still I like calling it nuggets. Okay, guys, so the tire is all good, and now we're just gonna put the other tire, into the car. Then we're all done.
Good job.
Hi, Kate. Lynn.
And open the trunk. Say, let's go, girl.
Axia. Hi, Axia. Oh, I can see all
Let's go, let's go. Let's get in.
It's really hard. That's what she likes. What she likes? Roblox, but I didn't show.
No?
Yeah. It happens sometimes. It happens to unicorn.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are we ready to go?
Like and subscribe to this channel.